everybody, welcome to this week's Cookies Barbecue Sauce Outdoors Traditions Kitchen. I'm here with Mr. Speed, and in front of us we have a brisket saurus. Brisket allosaurus. That is one big brisket, buddy.
They weigh about 15 to 17 pounds. It's called a Packer's cut. It's got the point and the flat both in it. And what I do is I trim the fat off. It's about 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch of fat in it. And then there's usually 1 or 2 spots where there's what they call like hard tallow in it, and trim a lot of that out. And then get it trimmed up. And then if you got a real, on the flat end, sometimes you'll have a real thin part, cut that off because you're just going to burn it is all that's going to happen with that. Get it all ready, seasoned up with coarse ground salt, a little bit of pepper, and then Cookies flavor enhancer, and rub that all in on both sides. Throw it in the smoker, 250 degrees, fat side up, and about 10, 11 hours, you're getting pretty well done. You can finish it off there, or take it and wrap it in foil, double wrap it in foil, and go in the oven with it.
Now, when you pull it off the smoker, what internal temperature are you looking at?
I like to get between 195 and 204 because that'll melt the collagen down that's within the meat tissues and make it nice and tender.
Okay. Now, I know that this has got the point and the flat, and we're going to slice them up for a sandwich here.
Yep. For me.
For you. Which
Yeah.
end of that? Which end of the brisket are we doing?
Okay, we'll slice the flat end, and what you do is you want to cut it against the grain.
Okay.
That makes it nice and tender, and then we'll pull the point end off, and that's what, if you want to, now a lot of times we'll just serve that, with the sandwich, but you can also pull that point end off, and that's what you chop up, and put a little bit of our Cookies barbecue sauce on it, go back in the smoker, and leave it in there for about 2 hours, and that's what you call burn ends.
All right. Well, we're going to get to slice them. Thank you. Well, there you go, folks. That's why he's in the Hall of Fame for the barbecue. I tell you, look at that brisket. That's amazing.
Mighty tasty, ain't it?
Speed, between the pulled pork and this, I don't know which is better. They're both amazing. Great job, buddy.
You betcha. Thank you much, pal.
There you go, folks. That's another winner. We'll wrap that up for the Cookies Barbecue Sauce Outdoors Traditions Kitchen with the Brisket King. Don't mind if I do. Thank you. Melts in your mouth.